Where does the name for Offa come from? So today I'm in a community in Wrexham just to the southwest of the city centre called Offa. Let's get into the name. So with a name this short, obviously it doesn't need breaking down. It's not a Welsh word, but an Old English one, and the name of a king at that. It's taken from the name of a nearby hill, Bryn Offa, literally Offa's hill. Now, according to Professor Howard Williams, this area is called Bryn Offa because Wat Dyke runs through it. I know that sounds a bit silly, but for a long time people didn't differentiate Wat Dyke and Offa's Dyke, so they called it all Offa's Dyke, and that gave its name to Bryn Offa, and that is where the name of the area came from. And on my travels I stumbled upon the cemetery, and in it was a sign which said that actually Wat Dyke cut right across where the graveyard is now, roughly following this path before it was levelled. Now, Professor Howard Williams is on TikTok under the name Archaeodeath. He's got an absolutely cracking account for early medieval history. I love it. I'll put a link to it in the description. And I'll also put a link to the paper in the description. It's called Living After Offa, and it's in the Offa's Dyke Journal. King Offa ruled Mercia in the 8th century, when it was the strongest of the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms. He's best remembered for Offa's Dyke, a huge earthwork running along the Welsh border, showing the scale of his power and his rivalry with the kingdoms to the west. But Offa wasn't just a warlord, he was a skilled ruler and politician. He struck trade deals with Charlemagne, the Emperor of Europe, and even minted a gold coin that copied the design of the Islamic dinar, showing off his global ambition. Offa turned Mercia into the dominant kingdom of early England, and his legacy still stands on the earth today. His name might originally have been a nickname form of the name Wulf, meaning wolf. So the name means something like the area associated with King Offa. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.